Okay, lads, in our last tutorial we talked about HTML elements, attributes, and paragraphs. I equally gave an assignment in the last tutorial and left a link to the answers to be downloaded in the description box. So check that out if you haven't. I'll be giving assignments at the end of each tutorial, and also after we are done with this course, we are going to be creating a full working responsive website, so stick around for that. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about how to comment a text out, and the browser is going to read this as a comment and isn't going to display the text. Also, we are going to learn about formatting tags and style attributes. Alright, so first off, I'll be writing a bunch of code using the p tag. Okay, so I'll just say lorem, then tab. Okay, so Visual Studio Code gives you a bunch of text. Once you type the lorem keyword, then you press tab. Okay, so we'll save this. Now obviously if we run this in our browser, we would see this here. Okay, just give it full screen. Now we want to comment this out so that it won't be displayed on the browser. So to comment this out, you select everything from the beginning of the starting tag, okay, to the end. Alright, so I'll just select all this, then you press Ctrl, hold it down at the same time pressing /, and then you get this, you comment this out. Okay, so if I save this, view this in the browser, now we won't see this here again. Okay, so there's another way of setting comments. Per se, there is no text you want to comment out in particular, but rather your main intention is to type a text as a comment. So you can just do the same thing by pressing Ctrl and / on your keyboard, and this will give you something like a comment tag that you can use. Okay, so you can write whatever you want in here and it's going to be as a comment. So comments are really useful when you're trying to get your work organized when you're coding, in the sense that they can be used as identifiers. So at some point when you'll be writing thousands of lines of code, comments will be really useful to be able to identify a particular section. So if I'm just to type hey there, save this, we won't see this in the browser. Okay, so next we are going to deal with formatting tags, and what this does is that it gives your text a special format. Example, making your text italicized, bold, or if you want your text to be a superscript or subscript. There are special tags for doing all this. I'll be talking about some of them here, and your assignment is to find out the rest. I'll leave a download link to the answers to the assignment in the description box. Okay, so first off, to italicize this, we use the I tag. Okay, so oops. Okay. Now we'll just say hey Alexander. Save this. Now there you go. Hey Alexander is italicized. Okay, so next we are going to deal with the bold formatting elements. Now this is implemented using the B tag. Okay, so we just say B, then we'll say the same thing, hey Alexander. Save this, do this in the browser, and there you go. Hey Alexander is in bold too. Now, so next we want our text to be superscript or subscripts. So we use this sup or sub tag. Okay, so to show you how this works, go here, say sup, just say welcome to coding Jitsu. Okay, same thing, say sub, welcome to coding Jitsu. Save this, use this in the browser, and as you can see, this a superscript, and this is a subscript. So you can do your research and find out more formatting tags. That's going to be your assignment, like I said. And there are other formatting tags like the M tag, which makes emphasis on a text, and so much more. Like I said, I'll leave the remaining formatting tags for download in the description below, so check that out. Now let's dive into the styling attribute, and this is where it's going to get more interesting. So to apply the style attribute, we have to call the style tag. So let's use an example here. I'll just say hey there, say how are you doing. Right, let's put this a question mark here. Now we save this. So to apply a particular style like color, font size, and much more, we'll call the style attributes after the tag name, which in this case the tag name is P. Okay, so I'll apply the style here and we'll give this a color of red and font size of 60 pixels. So we'll say style, then equals to, then some apostrophe here, and inside the apostrophe we call a color. So we'll call the color, just say color, then colon. Okay, then after this colon we say what kind of color we want, whether it be it's red, blue, orange, and so forth. But we'll be giving this red, so red here. Then after this we're going to, if we want to add another styling, we put a comma, and we are adding font size, so just say comma, say font size. Let me see. Okay, so sorry about that, you put not comma, it's semicolon. Okay, so it's a semicolon, and you go size, then giving this 60 pixels. Alright, so we save this, run this in the browser. As you can see, looks very intriguing, right? Hey there, how are you doing? All in red, 60 pixels. So this is basically how the style attribute works. There are tons of styles that can be used, but for now we are going to keep this simple. Further on, we are going to go a lot harder and advanced. Okay, so we are going to be creating the website like I said earlier on, and it's going to get a lot more complex. Well, yes, a lot more complicated than all of this. Okay, so that rounds it up for this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that you liked my video, and it can actually help others watch the video and learn from what this video contains. Okay, and please leave a comment in the if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. I'll be responding to all of those. And share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you on the next tutorial, guys. Bye.